Welcome back, everybody. A big coronavirus expert right from the White House came to Connecticut today, but she also came with a warning.
Dr. Deborah Birx told city and state officials that the spread of the virus looks very different from the peak last spring. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is joining us from Hartford with how things are different. Mike.
Well, Mark and Aaron, Dr. Birx telling officials and the media today that the primary source of the spread is now through social gatherings, unlike the workplace concerns we were seeing back in March and April. This is, of course, concerning because now that the weather is getting colder, people will be spending more time inside. But there's some good news as well, including some new methods, such as a technique that's used at UConn.
We came to the Northeast because we did see troubling signs.
Dr. Deborah Birx stopping at UConn's Hartford campus as she updates northeastern states on the coronavirus. She says there are early signs of a potential surge in cases, but also warned things are different from March and April.
It's happening in homes and social occasions and people gathering and taking their mask off.
She says the primary driver of spreads across the South and Midwest is social gatherings and urges people to remain cautious, even at small gatherings with friends and family. Hartford Mayor Luke Bronin says the city will continue educating people on the need for masks and social distancing whenever you're around people you don't live with. Bronin says with the increased capacity at restaurants starting today, he plans strict enforcement.
We are not going to hesitate to shut down an establishment that isn't honoring those requirements.
Birx also wanted to learn more from UConn, which is monitoring wastewater as a way to track the spread. She wants more places to be doing the same thing.
The thing about testing wastewater is you're really testing the whole community, so it's not individual testing.
In recent days, we've seen President Donald Trump not wear a mask despite being infected and telling people not to be afraid of the virus. Birx didn't criticize Trump, but said people should not follow his lead.
I take all infectious diseases very seriously.
Now, aside from wearing masks and maintaining social distance, Birx says another thing people can do is crack a window or open a fan, even in the cooler temperatures. She says this will bring in moisture from the outside air, which is important because coronavirus droplets could linger in the air indoors where humidity is lower. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.